Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to enable SwiftKey correction on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll to the general management. Now let's tap on the language and input and here we have to tap on on-screen keyboard. Now let's choose the SwiftKey keyboard because we are currently using it. Let's tap on it and here we have to enter the typing. Now let's tap on typing and autocorrect, and as you can see on the second position we've got the autocorrect option. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, from now on the words will be corrected to the middle prediction as you type. So that's all. This is how to enable SwiftKey autocorrection in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.